In a dramatic assertion of his authority, Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa has adopted the prestigious Mutapa title, a historic symbol of power and conquest. The announcement came as Mnangagwa celebrated his birthday on Sunday, now designated as Mutapa Day. Sanapinda mashoko ationa kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika anonzi aiwa he grabs the Mwene Mutapa title yavari kuona kuti title iyi haingasuti kana kuenderana naye. Sanapinda mashoko amudani ngopana ruri kwa subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina mwana mwene kwa mchinzi. The term Mwene Mutapa often rendered as Mwene Mutapa in Shona combines Mwene or Munhu, meaning man with Mutapa, signifying conqueror. Historically, this title was used by the rulers of the Great Zimbabwe Empire, highlighting a lineage of dominance and legal authority. By embracing the Mutapa title, Mnangagwa is making a bold statement about his own status and invincibility. The celebrations held at the Great Zimbabwe Monument in Masvingo Province were more than just a birthday party. They were a public affirmation of President Mnangagwa's exceptional leadership and indomitable spirit, as NPF officials told ZimI. Thomas Warubuda Managensi, yes, those are good people who commemorate celebrating his birthday. But according to Niman, I want to write Kago, I want to ising a birthday yoga. One of the good Iowa. Panga pa kutoinvolve ma spirits dzanga dzatova nawo aiwa dzekutopira ameno tingati zvipiriso kana kuti zvatiri kuona kuti aiwa they can be called rituals aiwa kuti varamba vari clinged onto power. Tichiona vachigreba the title vanhu yavari kudhema vachiti haenderani navo. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudai pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu musano subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.